just how close he was to being free, but he spends all his time dwelling in his mind, just like me. I sprinkled some crumbs to help him along, guide him to the place he wants to be. Follow the trail with all it entails, where he's free. He couldn't see he was already free on this Independence Day. Nah, he couldn't see just beneath his wings. Blue skies were shining all the way.